morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the Laplace transform. So Laplace transform is to be a transform that the condition of if L of f of t is equal to capital F of s, then the proving to that L of t into f of t is equal to minus d by ds of f of s or minus f dash of s. So, as per the Laplace transform, the basic condition is to be a L of f of t is equal to f of s. So here the value of L of f of t is equal to f of s. Then we have to multiple of differentiation, that d by ds in both sides. So we have to multiple d by ds multiple d by ds on both sides. So here that we have to multiple d by ds in both sides, that we get the value of L of f of t is equal to d by ds of f of s. See here, d by ds of f of s is equal to d by ds of L of f of t. The Laplace definition, as per the Laplace definition, interval over 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t into dt. So here this is the Laplace transform formula. So we have to apply the Laplace transform formula, then we have to multiply d by ds. So here d by ds of f of s is called f dash of s, because the d by ds is basically the differentiation. So f of s, the differentiation of f of s is f dash of s. Then here the d by ds will go to the inside of the integration, that will convert into a dou by dou s, because the basic difference between the differentiation and partial differentiation, that is the normal differentiation is d by ds, and will include the integration. There is only one part, that only the part of s is only one part is differentiation. Then we have to put the dou by dou s. So that is part of differentiation, that we call it as dou by dou s. Then e power minus st into f of t dt. Then interval over 0 to infinity e power minus st, we have to differentiate e power minus st with respect to x. Yes. So then as per the method, formula e power theta e power x, the differentiation of e power x is e power x. So e power minus st. Then again we have to differentiate minus s into t, because this is the chain rule, because e power x is the differentiation, and again the x is the variable. So again we have to differentiate, that is the chain rule. So e power minus st is the differentiation is e power minus st, and minus st is the minus t. Then f of t dt. Then f dash of s. Then f dash of s is equal to interval over e power 0 to infinity minus 2 t into e power minus st f of t into dt. Then the value of minus will take outside, and interval over 0 to infinity t into e power minus st into f of t d. Then here the value is minus t, then L of t into f of. So here we have to modify that 0 to infinity e power minus st into f of t dt is L of f of t. Here the multiple of t, then we have to multiply here t. So the basic that f dash of s is equal to minus L of t into f of t. The basic proof is that same thing as L of t into f of t is equal to minus f of t. Then we have to minus multiply on minus on both sides. Both sides. Then you get the value L of t into f of t is equal to minus f dash of. So this is the basic proof. So this is the one of the property of Laplace transform. In this property we have to use in the various places. Thank you.